Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to download offline maps on Google Maps. So first, you just have to simply locate that specific map or location that you wanted to download. And you wanted to use this whenever you are offline or in case that you lost your internet or your data. So you have to click your profile and then scroll down till you see this offline maps. Tap this and then you will see this select your own map. So you have to click this and all you have to do is select the part where you want to download the area or location. As much as possible, you zoom in the area so that it would be clearer and then see the entire area or location. So for example, this one, if I just need this very specific area right here, then all I have to do is zoom in and then I have to simply click this download. So tap download and as you can see, it's now downloading. So download started and will continue. You just have to wait till you see 100% right here. And once it turns to 100%, what you're going to do is you have to tap that one. Once you tap that, you will see the location or the entire place that you have downloaded. All you have to do is zoom in, and you will see the city, the places clearer. So that's how you basically use or that's how you basically download offline maps on Google Maps. So I'd really hope that this video helped you. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.